Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to brighten the teeth or white your teeth in Photoshop. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open Photoshop. And just so you know, this tutorial will help you in any kind or versions of Photoshop that you're using. If for me, I'm using the 2019. If you have the 2022 or the 2014 or whatever version, it will still work for you. So stay focused and let's get ahead. Now we click on File and Open to drag our teeth picture. As you can see, from here we need first to, for example, we need to just cut the teeth from the picture, so we can only adjust the color of the teeth. How to do so? We click on the layer and we use this tool like we did a tutorial about it in the last tutorial, so please go and check it out. And now we click on the teeth and we make sure that you are just selecting the teeth for like so, and we use this to remove it like that, and just like that. We'll just select these four pieces and keep the others to see the difference between them. So now we click on adjustments and here we click on hue and saturation and we drag this a little bit back, and here you go. These the adjustment is already shown. How to make it more brighter? We can just drag this one here and just adjust it like that. Of course, as you can see, it's not fully whitened because it's not really that clean cut, but if you do the clean cut in using this tool, it will be a perfect white Hollywood smile. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.